Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Brain.fm app in your macOS. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open any web browser. Here I'm going to open Google Chrome browser. Now select a profile. Search on the search bar Brain.fm. Now open the official website Brain.fm. Here you will get an option named Download. Click on it. And now choose your chip. If you are using an Intel chip, then you have to choose this one. On the other hand, if you are using an Apple Silicon chip, then choose this one. Since I'm using an Apple Silicon chip, I'm choosing this. And then it is going to be downloaded on our macOS. Click on this download icon to check. Here you can see that the file is downloading now. Right, the file has been downloaded. Now double click on it to open it and go to your Finder. Then search on the left Brain.fm, just choose it. Now drag it into your applications folder. Since I already have installed it, then it is showing this pop-up. Just clicking on this replace. And the application is going to be installed in my macOS. Alright, if I search it in my applications list, here is the app. From now on, if you open the app, you can use it easily and smoothly. That's all for today's video, how to install Brain.fm app in your macOS. And that's it. Thanks for watching.